In this video, I will show you how to create a community on Roblox. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and create a community on Roblox, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come across to this menu on the left-hand side, and you're going to see an option for communities. So what you need to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you across to the communities page. To create a new community from here, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a create community button. So what you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and it's going to take you to a page where you can create your community. So what you want to do is give your community a name. So what I'm going to do is call my community Tech Tutors Community, and you can give a description as well if you want to. This is optional. So I've just gone ahead and put hello, welcome to my community, but of course you can put whatever you want into the description. After that, you've got the option to add an emblem for your community. This is sort of like a group logo. So what you can do is click the button and select an image from your computer. In my case, what I've done, I've just gone ahead and added my YouTube channel logo. And the final thing you can do is change the settings so that anyone can join the group without being approved first of all. Or you can set this for manual approval, which means of course when someone wants to join your group, they will send a request through and you'll have to either approve or decline their request to join your community. Now, once you're happy with everything, what you want to do is come down to the bottom, and there is a bit of a price to pay, so it's 100 Robux at the time of recording. But if you do have enough funds in your account and you want to proceed, just go ahead, click this button. What that's going to do is bring up the community purchase confirmation window, and all you want to do is go ahead and click purchase. So for myself, of course, I don't actually have enough Robux to create this community, but for yourself, if you do have enough Robux, that's going to go ahead and create your community. So that's how to create a community on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.